In the golden heart of Egypt, just a short distance from the Pyramids of Giza, a new chapter of history is finally opening. After years of excavation, construction, delays, discoveries, and anticipation, Egypt has unveiled one of the most ambitious cultural projects in modern history, the Grand Egyptian Museum. This museum isn't just a building. It's a gateway into 5,000 years of human civilization. A place where the story of the ancient world comes alive through artifacts that have survived kingdoms, wars, and time itself. As you approach the museum, its architecture immediately stands out. A massive modern structure designed with angles that point directly toward the Great Pyramid. It blends past and present ancient inspiration, shaping a futuristic vision. Inside, visitors step into a world that no human has seen in one single place before. More than 100,000 artifacts, including treasures never displayed to the public, are gathered here. For the first time ever, the complete collection of King Tutankhamun, over 5,000 objects, is displayed together as it was found in his tomb. His chariots, gold-adorned sandals, ceremonial weapons, even the board games he once played. All preserved in glowing halls designed to protect them for centuries more. The Grand Hall welcomes guests with a monumental statue of Ramses II, a towering pharaoh who ruled Egypt at its peak. Around him stand ancient columns, inscriptions, and relics that once shaped the identity of a kingdom built along the Nile. But this museum is not only about kings and wars. It uncovers daily life, how people lived, loved, farmed, wrote, and dreamed. A reconstructed ancient boat shows how Egyptians traveled the Nile. Delicate papyrus scrolls reveal their science, medicine, and mathematics. And entire walls of hieroglyphs whisper stories that were silent for thousands of years. What makes the museum even more remarkable is its technology. Interactive displays show how mummies were prepared. Digital reconstructions allow visitors to walk through temples long lost. 3D imaging brings forgotten faces back to life. And specialized labs inside the museum continue the work of preserving new discoveries from ongoing excavations. This museum is more than Egypt's pride, it is a message to the world. A reminder that ancient civilizations still have stories to tell, lessons to teach, and wonders yet to be discovered. It stands not just as a building, but as a celebration of a nation whose history shaped humanity itself. As the Grand Egyptian Museum finally opens its doors, the world returns to the cradle of civilization to witness the legacy of pharaohs, to walk among timeless treasures, and to rediscover the soul of ancient Egypt. This is more than history. This is Egypt reclaiming its past and presenting it to the future.